Hello, I am Dr. Surendra Kumar, Professor, School of Management, Babu Banarsidass University. Today, we are discussing about something related to the entrepreneurship development issues. Or in this present topic, we will discuss various issues related to the marketing of small business management. Everyone knows about the marketing. It's a very marketing basically involved for product identification with customer feedback with value of satisfaction. If this concept applicable, then only we can say that I or we have developed really a good marketing concept is to be there, particularly in the field of entrepreneurship development. So, whatever the concept is to be there regarding the marketing, we will take care accordingly. There are various organization gurus was there, various entrepreneurship development processes to be there. They are telling there are seven things exist in the terms of issues, or maybe possibly later on a lot of issues can be come down. I will discuss a lot of, but generally I will just take up the things in the terms of marketing. So we will discuss one by one, small. Then after some other issues we will also discuss on. Like the first one, lack of resources. Lack of resources. Resources means budget, people, time. Budget, people and time. Any marketing manager, they will just give a complaint that, sir, we have not a good budget is to be there, by which we can do the thing. Now, if you have to look after, just pharmaceutical industry, just 3 or 4 years back, 3 years, the total marketing budget, I am just marketing budget, or even not in the marketing budget, total budget we can say, budget of a company. Marketing yields 70%, in which 40% to 50% used on advertisement. This type of things exist. So regarding customer retention, customer satisfaction, customer acceptance, new product launching, new enterprise development, if this lack of resources is to be there, so you have to look after this issue in a very crucial form to be there. If this issue will come, you will be out from the markets to be there. Then second, increasing visibility and generating quality leads. Increasing visibility and generating quality leads. This day by day, when you are stabilizing the business, like introduction to growth phases to be there, you will just see that visibility was there and you have a good development toward the side of the product acceptance to be there, but really thing not be happens to be there. These are the various issues. That is the main thing. So, when you are going toward the side of the upside, किसी भी उससे पूछिए जो माउंटेनिंग में आते हैं, I just went to, so in the mountaineer, या जो रनर होते हैं, because I am not an athlete, I have not been done, but whenever we are discussing some athletes to be there, they just told कि सर हमारी टेक्निक बदल जाती है. We will just start in Gangotri. If you have to run for 100 meters, 500 meters, 3 kilometers, 5 kilometers, 15 kilometers, Our strategy is totally changed according to norms. Same thing. If you want to run your business on the seasonal basis, condition will be changed. If you want to run your business on demographic basis, condition will be changed. If you want to produce whatever the marketing, whatever the concept is to be there, according to the season, according to variation, according to fast, peak, reason, whatever. So things are totally different. If you want to long-lasting businesses to be there, you want to stay more and more time in the market is to be there, so then the condition will be changed. So in this, you should be a quality circle to be there. Quality. Because ultimate, you have not the quality, acceptable quality and proper quality, I am telling. This thing, otherwise you cannot survive in this competitive environment. Then choosing the right social media platform. If any academic things you want to sell out and you want to sell on the Facebook media, yeah, whatever. I'm not telling anything about. I'm not user of the Facebook to be there. I'm just everything, whatever you are conceptualized, whatever your production, whatever your standardization is to be there, each and every place is to be there. If you go in the market, you have seen like in Lucknow, there's some huge market is to be there. And why all the pharma market, wholesale pharma market exists in the Aminabad market in Lucknow? Because whatever the single person coming from the retail sector or whatever the domestic wholesale business is to be there, they reach there and they just search out and get out every their need and just collect down, then return down. If one shop is there, one shop is there, one shop is there, it's very typical things to be there. This thing will be happen in the time of carrying a forwarding agent, C&F or C&A, like that. But regarding the wholesaler, this thing cannot be acceptable. Then it's the same thing. So we have to use it, whatever the social media we are using, whether it's a LinkedIn, whether it's a Facebook, whether it's a WhatsApp, whatever, even online trading is to be there. You should use proper and effective customization. That media should be used, it should be developed for that particular sector. A lot of time. Now you have already seen that a lot of companies to become like something, but it's a construction company, they are also launching some businesses to be there, and even production in FMCG, like some online trading company was there, they are doing the same problem. So you should be very much specific of that. Then fourth, consistent execution of marketing activities. Consistent execution of marketing activities. It's not necessary whatever you are using, you just promote, you are just publicize, you are just advertising. Today, then stop. Then again after 6 months we have to start. Then again, no. You are the new entrepreneur, no one knows you. So you need that publicity everywhere. Then as a mass marketing or the test marketing, like, and every regular fashion should be there. So the main thing, continuous and consistent execution should be there. Then producing, then fifth, producing and delivering content. If I am a teacher and I was just decided that I should do something my own is to be there, like online content development, online classes is to be there. So we will develop certain things, we will take the classes to be there. But whatever I am producing, like lectures, it is not as per the standard need of that particular segment. Then no one will give me the promotion to be there. And no one will to accept me as to be. Maybe possibly very first page they will accept it, they will pay the fee. Then after, cross. No one will come down and accept my classes to be there. You will see a lot of time in the market is to be there. If first early adopter, we are using the early adopter who can just what are the new products to be coming on the market, they will accept and check. If they are not user friendly, they will just change the things. Then late adopters, then strategic adopters, a lot of concept is to be there. So the main thing, you should be acceptable. Then whatever the delivery, whether the delivery is related with the customer satisfaction or not, this thing the prime motive is to be there. If the customer is not satisfied with your attitude, your behavior, the content was there, then it is not acceptable. Then day by day technology is to be changed. Day by day concept is to be changed. So 6, because these are the various issues come down in the field of marketing management for small business management. Keeping up with trends and technologies. Trends and technologies. Live example, हिंदुस्तान मोटर्स HM, याद करिए एम्बेसडर कार, इन्होंने अपने आप को नहीं बदला, आखिरकार लोगों ने इन्हें बदल दिया. Company out from the market is to be there. They told him, whatever we are, we don't want to change it. Then no one is to be ready to do that type of thing. Maybe possible there is a very comfortable car, maybe corporate services, whatever so is to be there, but now the company is closed. Cheater. So the main concept is to be there. Whatever the concept, trends and technologies, you should be changed. You can just have done the example of Nokia. Earlier, Nokia will be back. This is the concept is changed. But whenever you are really a Nokia, they don't want to change the platform. They just think whatever the Android is to be there, they will just clear out. No one will. They will not stay in the market. But what happened? Google going for the regular upgradation. Android formation is to be day by day, day by day, day by day. Now mobile means Android. Concept will be totally changed. And later on, Nokia, when because the new segment, new characters come down, Nokia comes down with a new image was to be there. Again, they have to come down with the same Android version was there. So what the thing is to be? We should be very much conscious about the trends and technologies in the market. Otherwise, we will not survive. And then, because in the marketing, everything you cannot do, you have to trust on others also. If you are trusting to others, so main problem is to be there. Who to trust? Who to trust? Outsourcing marketing activities. Outsourcing marketing activities. Because a lot of time in the terms of the product planning, product promotions, each and everything, you should be dependent on others. You cannot do any work everywhere because you have not a lot of field force. You are a small entrepreneur and you want to stabilize yourself in the market. You have to take the facilities from others. That's why I just told you what are the products you have to come down, like raw material. In the supply, you should look after the things in the operational issues. Here in the marketing, you look after which company you are hired for outsourcing process to be there. Otherwise, what the thing is to be, this is the competitive market. No one wants a new competitor in the market. So they will lose you and they will destroy your starting careers to be there. Even if you lost the things, then things will be. So what the thing is to be? So these are the generally issues come down. Now, how we have to clear down this time? Because issues will be come down, problem will be come down, and then the solution will also be come down. So there may be certain solutions or certain planning by which we can clear out these issues is to be there. So whatever. So what the thing is to be, first step we should take, create a marketing plan. Create a marketing plan. Marketing is complete word. Means product identification with the customer satisfaction, with the value of the feedback is totally concept to be there. So whenever you have to start any business, you should give a guide, your efforts based on your goals and resource constraint, right? Then enable you to more effectively market your business to your ideal client. If you cannot create a good marketing plan, क्या होगा? Everything looks like an opportunity, and now you are chasing the shiny object is to be there. Everywhere is to be. And you maybe likely will look at your competition and copy what they are doing. Nothing innovative approach was come down, and if the innovative approach or the creativity will not be there, you cannot stand in the market. So you should be very much conscious about the marketing plan. In this marketing plan, you have to determine your marketing goals, where you want to stand after 1 year, after 4 years, after 5 years, whatever so. Then define your marketing strategies that will help achieve your goals. So goal, strategies, then activities accordingly. So in the marketing plan, you should add your marketing goals, very, very clear. In which segment you want to stabilize yourself, then on to the customer satisfaction, customer values is to be there. Then defining your marketing strategies that will help achieve your goals is to be there. Then outlining it. Then when your marketing plan is stabilized, then accordingly you have to create an action plan. Create an action plan with, I am adding here with, editorial calendar. Editorial calendar. I will just tell you. What is that? Action plan is a systematic plan. Generally, any type of meeting is to be there. We have to using the minute to minute is to be there. Like that is. You just put down a complete editorial chart to be there. Because then only you can be a success line. Editorial calendar is set the schedule for what content needs for produce by whom and by when. So this is the thing. So if we are manufacturing a fan, तो फैन की बाइंडिंग कौन करेगा? वेरी क्लियर स्टूडियो. प्रिंटिंग कौन करेगा? ये क्लियर होना चाहिए. कटिंग कौन करेगा? डिजाइनिंग कौन करेगा? पैकिंग कौन करेगा? ईच एंड एवरीथिंग शुड बी ना मैनुअल. If this type of to be there, then only you can put down really you have done a good job. Otherwise, you will lose your business. Maybe possible you will be developing. Then third, because this is generally a dedication program. In various issues can be covered in every period of the life is to be in the operational issues, in the marketing issues, but we should be get rid of that. And step by step we will be clear on. If you are small, I am here small. You are a small entrepreneur, starting business, new launching, new, small, new, whatever. Third point is for you. Outsource task. Source task when necessary. Otherwise, finish all your work by your own is to be there. May be possible because here you need quality on the high standard, customer satisfaction need. Then retaining customer is a high need is to be there. If anything from the outsource interrupt this process, you will be outside of the market. So each and everything with the outsource is to be there. Even your website also, you should take up a close look on that. Maybe possible every day you need a website refresh. Just take up the refreshment. Every day you will just refresh. But then only you can take. Then whatever the social media, it's not necessary you have to select one media today, then it's for the entire month, entire. No. If it is not productive, it is not giving the result, you just leave it and go for some other tasks to be there. Otherwise, you will lose the markets to be there. And if you are writing a good blogs, efficient blogging is to be there, every day the trend of presentation should be changed. Then the main thing, who to trust? who related to that, who to trust when outsourcing marketing activities. You are a creative entrepreneur, creative person, that's why you are starting the business in Dallas. So in this, whenever this concept, you just see your vision only. Ultimate, because no one is standing outside there. You can do vision. Then, in the marketing issues, I will discuss some other things related with the production, because production and the service sector also. In the production and service sectors, if you have to look after, there are certain things, because you are the new, so as low as competition can come down near you, it's a prime motive should be there. So in the issues you should look after is standing out from the competition always. You should give them certain new qualities in that by which you can generate a new business was there. So always, and you always clear out. So first is innovative approach, we can say innovative approach. Second, awareness. Whatever you are doing, everyone should know in your area, in your person to be there, by which they can promote you to be there. That is step. Then we should not go for the mass marketing, we should go for the test marketing. That is the maybe targeting effectively. Target. Then if the targeting is to be completed, then accordingly, whatever the media, whatever the promotional tools should be like that only, by which we can retain our customer. If we will retain our customer on day-to-day basis, definitely we will get down the things to be. And by this media, we should take up return on investment process in a very strong way, and it should be in an increasing form. If we retain the customer, we are adding something new was there, definitely we will get down the return on investment in a proper way, very first days to be there. Otherwise, and always we have to look after the marketing trend of the market. It's not necessarily कि आज क्या हो रहा है, day by day you have to look after. Otherwise, you cannot survive in the marketing. You have to, because you are the new entrepreneur. I already told you to be there. So whatever the things in the field of the marketing, in the terms of the system approach, in the terms of the conceptualization, you just look after this thing is to be. Because as and when the biggest thing was there, because in the business marketing, in the biggest concept was there. So in this thing, there are certain, because marketing is a very huge thing is to be there. Ultimate, whatever you have performed, whatever you have done, everything will be showed off in the customer relationship. So I will just tell something is to be there. Finally, because I'm just comprising each and everything to be. What we have to do if any issues come down in the marketing? You are promoting your business, not self. Always remember. So at any cost, you should not promote self. You always promote your business, you will get down. The second thing, as an ultimate, we can say, if there is a heavy need is to be there, then only you will consider. Otherwise, dismiss outsourcing. Then you should not discuss anything secrets with anyone is to be there. Because why you are starting this business, you know the figures. No one will take the pain of that, because this is your money, your concept, your visualization, your ambition was there. So don't share. If you want to share, you will share with your colleagues in the secondary manners to be there, by which they can also motivate the main. Then everything is not Google Baba. I am just suffering, the problem is to be there, I will just put down, kya hota is problem mein? Nahi. Because ultimate, कंप्यूटर किसने बनाया? ह्यूमन बींग्स ने. ह्यूमन बींग्स को कंप्यूटर नहीं बनाया. तो whatever the data was there, it is maybe manipulated over there. You will get down some wrong direction can be come down. So don't rely on that. Or otherwise you will be suffer in that. So whatever, whenever any budget formation is to be there, anything, look after the things, you should not go for that person. You should take up some skillful persons, maybe possibly your team members was there, they will consider accordingly. And whatever, each and everything, apna, first you have to look after your side, then after the other side is to be there. And each and everything is to be there in the market, each and everything is to be there, but you are for the business, remember, not for the competition. If you are thinking you have to stabilize your business, day by day you will be increasing. If you are just thinking a lot of competition is to be there, I cannot survive, no survive, no survive, definitely you will not survive is to be there. So in the terms of the marketing, this is the prime things is to be there. You should work for yourself, not for the competition is to be there. Now I just compilation is to be there. In the marketing, this is a very requested things to be there. As a new entrepreneur, you have to look after each and every issues which is to be come down on day-to-day basis and eradicate on the very self businesses to be there. Then you should always remember that you are the entrepreneur, you will create the world, you will stabilize the business. The pain you are taking, it's you only feel is to be there. And the main thing is to be there, ultimate, in the final, issues will be come down in every place of the life and you should indicate as and when needed is to be there. They are very point of view.